मोहतरम वज़ीर आज़म इस्लामी जमहूरिया पाकिस्तान मोहम्मद शहबाज शरीफ, मोहतरम वुज़रा, फॉरेन डिग्नेटरीज़, इंडस्ट्री पार्टनर्स, पॉलिसी लीडर्स, गवर्नमेंट ऑफिशल्स, मोहतरम मेहमान, ख़वातीन व हज़रात, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मेरा नाम सना मकबूल है और मैं आज की तकरीब की मेज़बान हूँ और गूगल की जानिब से मैं आप सबको आज की तकरीब आगे बढ़ो अ गूगल इवेंट फॉर पाकिस्तान में खुशामदीद कहती हूँ। आज की तकरीब में एक्सिस पार्टनरशिप की तरफ से इकोनॉमिक इम्पैक्ट रिपोर्ट का लॉन्च भी है, जो पाकिस्तान के आईटी सेक्टर के इकोनॉमिक पोटेंशियल पर फोकस करता है, ग्रोथ एरियाज़ और फ्यूचर अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ को आइडेंटिफाई करता है और हमें ये बताता है कि हम कैसे इनका फ़ायदा उठा सकते हैं और मिल के आगे बढ़ सकते हैं। और इसी सिलसिले में इस बात को मज़ीद वाज़े करने के लिए मैं बुलाना चाहूँगी द रीजनल डायरेक्टर गूगल पाकिस्तान, बांग्लादेश एंड श्रीलंका मिस्टर फरहान कुरैशी कि वो स्टेज पे आएँ और अपना ओपनिंग एड्रेस दें।
Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope everybody can hear me. मेरा नाम फरहान कुरैशी है. I look after a few countries in Google, and Pakistan is the country I'm extremely proud about. So you will see a lot of passion in my conversation. Welcome to Aage Badho Pakistan. This is our moment of sharing with you Pakistan's scope in the digital world and how Google is contributing to this as well. पाकिस्तान के साथ Google की जर्नी है तो बहुत पुरानी, लेकिन पिछले 10 साल के अंदर हमने एक्टिवली बहुत ज़्यादा इस टेक की स्किलिंग के ऊपर काम किया है. पाकिस्तान की academics are still catching up when it comes to technology education. So what we've done as Google, we realized what are the new areas of technology that companies need to adapt. उसके लिए what we're trying to do is build the best of Google education to the countries as well. So we've created curriculums जो 4 से 6 महीने लंबे programs हैं, जिसके अंदर हम data analytics, cyber security, AI essentials, we're all building that in to make sure that हमारी जो लोग workspace में खासतौर पे ख़वातीन और students, when they come into the workspace, they have all the knowledge that they need to be successful in the workspace as well. And to make and then the second thing is there's a lot of work that we're doing on the developer side as well to make sure कि हमारे जो graduates हैं उनकी developer education के ऊपर बहुत सारा काम हो. To build education in Pakistan on the area of tech, there are multiple courses that we need to create. But these courses are 4 to 6 months long, and some of them may have been very costly for everybody to do. So what we did was we came back and we said we will give 45,000 scholarships. So 45,000 people have free access to these programs in Pakistan. Historically, what we've seen, people who have gone through this program, 80% of them have improved their careers. So we're very confident about that, and we want to make sure women play a very important role in Pakistan's tech economy. 50% of these scholarships are going to women. Freelancing, as we all know, is one of the biggest drivers for our economy as well. पिछले साल हमने 1,14,000 developers के साथ we worked with them, and that's bringing them into either the freelance economy or the workspace or new industries that we are creating. We work across 87 chapters, which means 87 colleges across 22 cities, and उसके अंदर हमने we've trained at least 1,700 women on tech. This year, what we're trying to do differently is to add AI as well, because this is the new wave of the future. We've trained more than 9,000 students in the area of cloud and Android development when it comes to AI as well. So that's another one that we're very, very proud about. Thank you so much, everyone, for being a part of this ceremony today.
Shukriya Farhan, and thank you very much for highlighting these numbers. हमारी next speaker ऐसी हैं जिनके साथ काम करने का मुझे खुद भी मौका मिला है, and I'm a witness to her hard work and the efforts that she put in. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the Minister of State for Information Technology and Telecommunication, Ms. Shaza Fatma Khwaja.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, Honorable Prime Minister Mohammad Shehbaz Sharif, federal ministers, members of parliament, Scott, who's the president for Google for Asia Pacific APAC region, and his team, Andrew, Kyle, Farhan, Kate, and our local Google team who's here today, our partners and the whole of the government approach that we've taken, and our, I would say, absolute support, the team from SIFC who's present here, my personal team from the Ministry of IT, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and a very good afternoon. I'm not going to take a lot of time. मैं बहुत जल्दी से सबसे पहले तो I want to welcome Scott to Pakistan. It's his first time here. Also, I think it's Kate's first time here. And I would like to also congratulate Google for all the support, all the initiative that you've taken in Pakistan for the people of Pakistan, and have really supported the vision of the Honorable Prime Minister, which is essentially at the end of the day to digitize Pakistan. So जो Honorable Prime Minister का vision है Digital Nation Pakistan का in 3 specific verticals, economy, government, and society, I think Google will play a critical role, and organizations like yourself are what we look at as partners and collaborators moving forward in this journey. And AI in specific is something that can really give that push that we require to really accomplish what we've set out for, which is actually a very challenging but a very exciting path towards national digitization. I would like to once again say that behind all of this and at the base of all of this is our youth. हमारे वो नौजवान बच्चे और बच्चियाँ, which is about 70% now of our population, and 50% of female population, जो हमारी ख़वातीन हैं, जो इकोनॉमी का हिस्सा बनती हैं. And there are about over 150 million people that we're talking about, and 75,000 IT graduates that we're talking about. And Scott से मेरी पहले भी जो बात हो रही थी वो यही है कि हमने किस तरह इन तमाम बच्चों को स्किल करना है और अपस्किल करना है, उन ग्रेजुएट्स को एम्प्लॉयबल स्किल्स देने हैं ताकि वो इमीडिएटली वर्क मार्केट में एकदम से एम्प्लॉयबल हो सकें और इकोनॉमी का हिस्सा बन सकें, ना सिर्फ पाकिस्तान के लिए बल्कि अपने हाउस होल्ड्स के लिए, और पाकिस्तान को एक्चुअली ग्लोबल जो है मैप के ऊपर पाकिस्तान का नाम रोशन कर सकें. आखिर पे मैं शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगी इन तमाम टीम का और कंग्रेचुलेट करना चाहूँगी ऑर्गेनाइज़र्स को, गूगल को, पाकिस्तान से जितने लोग इस पूरे प्रोसेस में इंगेज्ड हैं. और अभी आप कुछ देर में जो आई थिंक ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर विल बी हियर एंड ही विल टॉक टू यू मोर अबाउट हिज विजन एंड गिव यू more insight on how he intends to take Pakistan forward. हम सब इनकी टीम है, इनके vision, इनकी leadership के under, इनकी support. And Sana very accurately said that he's actually the federal minister for the Ministry of IT as well. And the way जिस तरह ये lead कर रहे हैं, जिस तरह ये follow-ups कर रहे हैं, I think there is no reason why Pakistan will not be able to achieve what it set out to. So at the end, I would like to thank everyone who's present here and welcome once again to Pakistan. Hope you have a very nice day. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, I would now like to invite for a very special announcement, एक बहुत खास ऐलान के लिए, once again, the Regional Director, Google Pakistan, Bangladesh and Sri Lanka, Mr. Farhan Qureshi.
is a very special moment for us, and I would like to take this opportunity to thank the Prime Minister for all his support that he's provided us. We've actually managed to, with his assurance and guidance, and to announce that we are committing 500,000 Chromebook development in Pakistan, if you remember, Prime Minister Saab. This is a special moment because we're trying to operate at Pakistan's speed, where we talked about 2 months ago that we will do it, and today we have the first pre-production notebook that we would like to hand to you as a gift to you. Prime Minister Saab, if I may request you to please say a few words.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Mr. Scott Beaumont, President Google team, Honorable Federal Ministers, and very enterprising Pakistani IT entrepreneurs, freelancers, and owners of small and medium enterprises, parliamentarians, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. आज ये बहुत एक शानदार तकरीब है जिसमें गूगल की जो कारकर्दगी है आलमी सतह पर और पाकिस्तान में इनकी जो कंट्रीब्यूशन है वो बहुत ही लायक तहसीन है। यहाँ पर 2-3 प्रेजेंटेशन दी गई और एक गेमिंग डिस्ट्रिक्ट के जो एंटरप्रेन्योर हैं, मालिक हैं, उन्होंने बहुत शानदार कामयाबियां हासिल की कुछ नाकामियों के बाद। और ज़िंदगी इसी का नाम है कि आप सफ़र करते हैं, आप मुश्किलात का सामना करते हैं, ज़िंदगी के अंधे थपेड़ों का मुकाबला करते हैं और बिलाखिर आप इस नौजवान की तरह कामयाबी से हमकिनार होते हैं। ज़िंदगी इसी का नाम है। और मैं समझता हूँ कि पाकिस्तान के अंदर जो हमारी नौजवान नस्ल है और उसमें जो बच्चियों का जो कंट्रीब्यूशन है, मैं समझता हूँ कि उसको आगे बढ़ाने के लिए हमें बतौर हुकूमत पाकिस्तान और सूबाई हुकूमतों को अपने बेहतरीन वसाइल, उनकी तालीम व तरबियत और उनकी एम्पावरमेंट के लिए हमें इस्तेमाल करना होंगे। मैं यहाँ पर जो बातें कही गई हैं उनको दोहराए बगैर I'd simply ask this, put up this equation, Mr. President, and of course our very talented youthful entrepreneurs sitting here and other experts. By the way, we are going to have our new Secretary IT, who has been selected through a process, a very transparent process. Could you please stand up so we can all applaud you? Why don't you come here and give your very brief introduction. I believe you are from Oxford. Very brief introduction.
Thank you, Prime Minister. This was a bit unexpected, but as I've heard about him, that he puts people to task and then make sure that they deliver. And inshallah, I'll not let him down. So my name is Zarar. I have joined as of today as Secretary for the Ministry of IT and Telecommunication. I have been given by the Honorable Minister and the Prime Minister 3 major roles. The first role is to make sure that, as being from the private sector, I need to make sure that we understand that how the potential that everybody talks about is going to be catalyzed into an action plan, and then action plan is going to drive results. And the number 2 thing that we have to make sure that Pakistan is facing an economic challenge, but what we see is that a big potential that we have is digitization of our economy, and you saw a 2.6 trillion number over there. And I believe that's a conservative number. This number cannot be achieved unless and until we make sure that our activities are set up. And the third thing that I think we really have to go ahead is that IT industry cannot thrive unless there is a foundation of connectivity and telecommunication. I think on the mobile connectivity side, we are quite good, but we have some work to do on the fixed connectivity. And inshallah, under the leadership of the Honorable Minister and the Prime Minister, we are going to deliver. So about me, I don't want to talk about a lot, but if I was given my 30 seconds, at least I can share the plan that has been given to me. Thank you.
ये बहुत एक्सपर्ट हैं अपनी इस फील्ड के और उनका चुनाव बिल्कुल शफाफ तरीके से हुआ इन अ वेरी ट्रांसपेरेंट मैनर. मैं यहाँ पर जो सवाल करना चाहता था टू मिस्टर स्कॉट्स फॉर योर कंजम्पशन एंड ऑफ कोर्स आवर highly talented participants sitting here, the target is simple. We want to touch a figure of $25 billion in the next 5 years. And I was hugely, comfortable by looking at this presentation that one of the figure was that we could touch $6 billion in 2030 on an annual basis. Now $6 billion multiplied by 5 is $30 billion, which is $5 billion more than my own estimate. This is the equation. I know nothing else. Give me mathematics and give me way forward and the pathway how to achieve this figure in the next 5 years. 2, how to offer modern skills to our youth. Those skills which can give them productive jobs instantly, skills that can take them out of Pakistan and contribute in Gulf states and other places, and of course within, in Pakistan. 3, how to make our governance totally paperless and totally digitized. Whether it's, we are already on this task in a big way, but I'm just wanting to further sensitize myself and all those who are relevant in this field, how to make our governance digitized so that we eradicate massive corruption, evasion of federal receipts, and then, of course, utilization of our resources in the best possible fashion for the people of Pakistan. This is the menu of today. We have heard wonderful speeches, had wonderful presentations, and of course, how to promote SMEs in this country, small, medium enterprises, the policy framework, freelancers, and I think this is our lowest hanging fruit other than agriculture and mines and minerals. I'd be very grateful if you could come forward with a plan along with, I would invite all of you, and if you are ready with a plan, we'll sit down tomorrow, day after, 3 days, 4 days after, and thrash out this way forward for Pakistan's bright future. Thank you very much. Pakistan Zindabad.